Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. First gradient tool எடுத்துங்க. On the top select rounded gradient, then double click on the gradient. Here both top stopper opacity initially 0. Then adjust the bottom stopper and pick it rainbow colors. And add 2 stopper at the top, this time opacity 100%. Then add new layer and drag it. You will get your gradient. Then change the mode to screen. After that, add layer mask, choose your brush, default color black, then mask at the bottom. So this is how you can create rainbow on the picture.